Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name's Shumaylah and today I'm with my little brother Shaheer.
Hello!
And we're going to show you how to make a famous Mexican dish called guacamole. So without further ado, let's move on to the ingredients. For this we've got some diced cucumber. We're using 3 small cucumbers, but you can use whatever size you like. Diced carrots. What color is this?
Orange.
Yeah. And we're using some very colorful cherry tomatoes.
Yes, and we have red, yellow, and orange. Or if you don't have those colors, you can use other colors.
Yeah, you can just use the normal red. We've also got some red diced onion, some coriander from our garden,
And some feta cheese.
Feta cheese holds a lot of salt, which is why there's water coming out of it. And the superstar of this dish, avocado. And now let's move on to the spices. 2 teaspoons of roasted cumin powder, some salt to taste, and half a teaspoon of black pepper. Now let's move on to preparing the avocado. So firstly, you'll have to pick a nice and ripe avocado, and then you'll just have to cut around the outside like this. You can make it as lumpy or as smooth as you would like it to be. There we go, our mashed avocado. So just add in your cut up red onion. Then we're going to put in our 3 small diced cucumbers. Then just put in your diced carrot. It looks very colourful. The carrot adds a lot of texture and colour. Now we're going to add in some cherry tomatoes just to add a little bit more colour. Now we have transferred the guacamole into a much bigger bowl since the other bowl was a bit too small. So now just fold it all in. So now that we've mixed all of our bright and bombarding colours, we're just going to add in some feta cheese. Now we're just going to add in the coriander, not all of it, we're just going to leave a little bit for garnish afterwards. Now that we've added in some salt as well, we're going to add in some black pepper. And we're just going to add in a little bit of cumin. notification button so you always get notified when I post a new video. And also, please like this video if you liked this recipe. And until next time, bye! I'm with my little brother Shaheer.
Hello.